Hello learners and welcome to U.S. History Foundations to Reconstruction. We are on week 26, which I can't believe. The weeks are flying by. This week you are going to complete units 4.7 and 4.8. So you're taking a quiz on sectionalism and then you're going to talk about the emergence of slavery. Okay, so your learning target for the week is I can successfully define the Middle Passage as well as understand the conditions of the slaves on the Middle Passage. So for engage, imagine being violently removed from the only place you've ever known. You're taken from your loved ones and forced to board a crowded boat with all of the men chained together. People are dying, there's little food, and no one is explaining where you are going or what life will be like once you get off the boat. If you were aboard the boat, what actions do you believe you would take? Okay, so just take a minute and think about that. You're in your village, typical day. And then before you know it, you're ripped from your loved ones and you're put aboard this boat to be chained, given very little food and water. People are dying around you. You don't know what's going on. So just take a moment and think about what actions would you take. And we're going to learn more about what actions we're taking aboard the boats in this lesson. Okay, so you can read Unit 8, Section 8, from Odyssey-ware, and you can also read the Middle Passage account. Pay particular attention to the triangular trade. And then there's a bunch of video clips here, a couple from the History Channel, and there's also the beginning of Slaves in the Middle Passage from study.com. You can watch the beginning of that. And then there's a Quizlet on the Middle Passage. Okay, so then I want you to explain what is the Middle Passage and what does it have to do with slavery. So after you just look through all of those resources, tell me exactly, what is the Middle Passage and how is slavery directly involved in it. Okay, and then there's a small quiz on the Middle Passage. And then for our elaborate section for the week, using the knowledge you gained about the Middle Passage, pretend you are a slave taken from your family and placed aboard a boat to become part of the slave trade. Please tell me about your experience from beginning to end with a focus aboard the boat. Okay, so now we're going to use all of the knowledge that we gained and learn about the slavery and the Middle Passage and what happened aboard the boat. And I found this popular picture, and you can see here, this is how people were arranged on the boat. No, I won't go any bigger there, but you can see all of these people. I mean, they made use of all of the space possible. And then here you go. And then you can see like up here. So just take a moment and kind of look through this. You can probably enlarge it once you're watching it on your screen. But this is, like I said, very popular. And when I was in a brick and mortar school, I would kind of show the kids and we would stand up against the wall and just kind of stand there. And I would have the kids somewhat close to each other and just have them close their eyes and, tell them about what's going on around them and just kind of pretending that they were part of the Middle Passage. Now, obviously, that was like a 5-minute period where this was months aboard this boat. So just kind of use your imagination and tell me what you believe life was like for you. Okay? So just tell me what information you learned from the lesson, which I hope you learned a ton. This is an interesting topic. There should be great amounts of information to gain from it. Okay, so any questions or concerns, please reach out. If not, you have a wonderful, productive week. Thank you.